We never click the button unless the mom is watching. That's a pro tip. Guess why?
Why?
We want her to see that we did it.
Okay. Welcome to Liam Orange.
Hey Liam, how's it going? Look at, whoa, what are we doing with all these dirty dishes?
We're gonna put these in a dishwasher to clean them.
We're gonna learn how to put dishes in the dishwasher?
Yeah.
That sounds so
Look
exciting.
at this part.
So you have a lovely assistant to help.
Look at this part. Look at this part.
Mommy. What is that thing that spins around?
This is the thing that cleans stuff.
Does water come out of that?
Look at the pipe right here. I feel, and I even feel the hole down there.
This is the top of the dishwasher. What
Yeah.
kinds of plates and cups go in the top? Do you know?
Yeah.
We're gonna find out, aren't we?
We're gonna put this one.
Bowls.
Bowls go in the
forward
top of the
in the
dishwasher.
middle.
Okay.
And another one.
Okay, I can do it. I can do it.
Look how they stack on that center rack with those little...
And you'll notice this side
What?
is lower than this side. So we need bigger cups on this side and shorter cups on this side.
Oh,
So find me all your tall cups for this side.
let's find some tall cups.
This is a shorter cup. That's a tall cup.
Okay, turn it over the other way, bud.
So you have to face it down so that the spray under here will get inside the cup. Give me some more tall ones. Or short ones. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, I'll
Another
put.
one there.
I don't want to do the glass one.
Yeah, you should go.
Okay, this one goes right here. Okay.
How about this one? Is this one short or tall?
Yeah, short.
Okay,
This
that
one's-
one's tall. Turn
Okay,
it over.
gotta go the other way. Upside down. Guess why it goes
'Cause
upside
you have to
down?
have those things spray up into it. See that?
So
You
that
have
that-
to put it correctly so that the water will spray up into the cup.
That's exactly right.
How about this one? Is this one big?
I'm glad we have Mommy to help us.
Yes. Turn it down. 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 You got to let the spray come up into the cup.
Okay.
This one,
Okay, this one goes in the short.
short side.
That's right. That's a small
How about
glass,
this
huh?
one?
This one goes in
Short side. Now, we do have more cups, so let's keep it on the short side. How about that?
Yep. Mom, I want to do
That?
it.
Oh, it's starting to get full in there.
How about
Look at
this
that.
one? Let's put it on the tall side.
Wait, is this tall?
Yes, you can put it back here like
Wait,
this.
hey, Mom, are these the water that?
You can put them on there. Yes,
That is such a
water
cool
the
tattoo.
water.
What is that you got on your hand?
Yeah, it says.
Oh, it's a happy face. Okay.
This one
And also, we have to put this.
is the mini.
Hey, you know what? We'll do those next. Hang on. Let's do the top first.
But,
Liam, first we gotta load the top.
I know, but I'm gonna load this one.
Just a second.
Then we'll show you about the bottom. It's super important to get that just right so you can help your mommy do the dishes and they won't stay dirty. Okay, we have a little bit of space up here. And you can put those little cups facing right into slots. Do you have any other little cups? Or bowls? Here's a little bowl.
Oh, I see a whole bunch of big bowls and smaller bowls back here.
Now Liam, go get those spatulas and bring them to me, yes. And lay them in.
I didn't know that. Look how they go in
And
there.
I'll do it. Okay.
Oh,
Just
So,
lay them across, you bet. Get any long ones through there. Good job. How about another spatula? That one's short. Let's put that in the silverware. How about the long spatula?
oh, that's an ice cream scooper, my
The
favorite.
long one, the big black one. Yes. Good job, Liam. Go ahead and lay that in there.
it's getting
Good.
full.
Now look at the bottom of the dishwasher. It has
Let's
a
see.
different format. It's got
It's a lot bigger.
wide ones and close ones together and spaces and the silverware basket. What do you think goes in that basket?
Yeah, and this is where you put the sink.
The what?
What goes there?
Soap.
Yeah, I'll go get the soap.
First,
Oh, we're
let's
not
load
ready
the
for the soap
dishwasher.
yet.
Okay. So, here's what Mommy would tell you to do.
Okay.
Now, in the basket here, Liam,
Okay.
we need to teach them that we put our silverware with the place we eat straight up.
Okay.
Because that's the dirtiest part. We want to kill the germs, so we want to keep them straight up.
Look how they're
Go
pointed
ahead
up.
and put all your silverware in the basket that way.
Okay.
Can you get some more? Where is
Some
it?
silverware, get it.
Oh, look how much silverware we got.
Yes, good boy.
Okay.
Straight up.
This is a big fork.
You put it straight down on that one. I should probably put it straight up. Yes.
That's
And we're gonna
starting to
roll
fill that
the
up.
whole
Look at that.
thing.
Yeah.
What do you got?
Drop it in there. Okay.
Are they gross? Are you putting them in the right way?
Some are in right and some are in not so right, but it's okay. We can correct it.
No, there's germs
I
right
know.
here.
Is it
So-
gooey and sticky? So you just want to drop it in as fast as you can? I understand.
Gooey and sticky. Boy, you're going fast. Hey, look, we're clearing this whole counter up really fast. I'm so excited.
Set it in careful so they stand straight up. Good boy.
And this?
Yes.
What's that called? That's called a peeler.
Yeah.
You peel carrots, all sorts of vegetables.
Okay. So there's
Now, look at this section right here. This is made
one more
for,
spoon.
go ahead and put that in. Made for plates and bowls
Oh.
and big things.
Okay.
But today, all we have is big wide bowls, so we're gonna set them this way. You take it and you lay it between the two tines. Lay it between the two tines again. So you wanna have space so the water gets up in there.
Gotta have
So
a
don't
space
make it
between.
too close, but just enough that there's space. Beautiful. Keep going.
I'm gonna do it by myself.
Okay.
Yes, Liam can do it by himself.
Show us what you can do.
Look how much there is. Oh, it looks like it kind of
You
looks
can
like
put a
it
few more.
kind of looks like a tube because there's bowls up.
Yeah, it looks like a tube or a rainbow. Yes, beautiful.
Like this.
Now this one.
Those
is a
bowls are so
smaller bowl.
colorful. Look at that.
This one, these are closer together. They're better for holding smaller bowls like this.
Okay.
So that the water can come and spin because there's a spinner in there that will spin up under these
Oh,
bowls.
look, there's a spinner down low too. There's
And
two spinners.
we need to keep it clear so the water can spin up in there if we want clean. This one can go in here. And this one can go in here like that. And you know what? Maybe even this can fit. Like that. What do you think? That might be it.
Good.
Liam, guess what? We're not done yet. Look what's on the counter.
I know.
Sharp knives. Hey, Liam,
What?
do we try putting the sharp knives in ourselves if we're little?
No.
What do?
We always have to put these sharp knives with our mom and dad.
We'll do that
So,
again.
Mom and Dad need to put the sharp items in the dishwasher. Ask Mom if she'll put them in for us.
Hey, Mom, would you?
Don't touch them.
You bet. Thank you for helping me do the dishes. It's beautiful. And we slide it in.
What's left? What do we need to do now?
What do we do now?
Put the soap in.
And lay it in the cup. And then we shut the lid. That one's a little big. It's kind of tricky. You have to kind of,
To buy soap.
yeah.
So we always get the soap from our mom and dad, huh? They keep it in a special place. It's locked.
Okay.
Now guess what, Liam?
What?
What's the final thing we do?
We click these buttons.
But guess what?
What?
We never click the button unless the mom is watching. That's a pro tip. Guess why?
What?
We want her to see that we did it.
Okay.
This one. And then that one.
Start. There we go. And look at that, it's gonna start washing. Oh, that's so cool. Liam,
What?
did you do the dishes?
Yeah.
You helped us put them in the washer. Give me 5. Yes. I'm so excited.
I'm gonna do a really hard one.
Okay, don't hurt me. Ow! Good job, man.
Look at this giant orange. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more cool videos.